viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So viewers, today we are also going to discuss about Binance Smart Chain wallet, and in this video I am giving you information how we can use our Binance Smart Chain wallet with Trust Wallet. Yes, if you have take the backup of your 12 phrases of Binance, so you can easily use or import your wallet with in a Trust Wallet. So this is so simple and easy. In this video giving you complete information. Please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So viewers, today we are going to use our Binance Smart Chain wallet with 12 phrases in Trust Wallet. So how can I use? Simple is that first of all we are going to log in or check the Trust Wallet website. Trust Wallet. If we are going to click on Trust Wallet, trustwallet.com is shown in front of me. This is the official website. Trust Wallet, Best Cryptocurrency Wallet, Ethereum wallet. I just simple click on it, and after that you can see here the official website open in front of me. Here you can get all information about Trust Wallet, buy crypto with a card, exchange instantly. We not discuss about Trust Wallet, we just get some overview of Trust Wallet app. This is the official website. You can also stake your token on this website. You can see here staking calculator is available here. It's only depend on you if you want to stake your token. I am not giving you any financial advice. Let's suppose you want to import your Binance Smart Chain wallet with 12 phrases in Trust Wallet. Simple is that, go to the click on these application which is you are going to use. Let's suppose I have mobile, so that I need to use second option, Google app, Google Play. Simple click on it, and then option install. So I have already installed BlueStake for mobile version, so directly open the BlueStake. You can see here in your mobile the interface will be shown in front of you like this. I'm going to enter here Trust Wallet. When I click on it, so you can see here crypto and Bitcoin wallet, and almost 10 million people download this software, means trusted software. So now going to click on install. The wallet is going to download, start. You can see here they is shown the option is take some time for the download the complete, and then install in my mobile or your system. So take some time. After that the software will be installed and open in front of me. Now you can see here the Trust Wallet is going to installing in my mobile or laptop. Take some time. Now you can see here the Trust Wallet is successfully installed. Simple click on open. When you click on open, so the interface will be shown in front of you, private and secure. There's two options. The first option is create a new wallet. Second is I already have a wallet. So I have already 12 phrases of Binance Smart Chain, so simple click on I already have a wallet. So you must read the privacy policy terms and condition. Click on I have and simple click on continue. Now set the password which is you want to apply on your wallet. So I'm going to enter the password, 6 digits password. Now again enter your 6 digits password here. Now password is applied, and click on import option is multi-coin. Now you just write here the name of your wallet, change the name. Let's suppose I'm going to write here Binance Smart Chain Wallet. Okay, now enter the 12 faces. So I'm going to also take the back of my 12 faces from my Binance Smart Chain Wallet. Simple click on the icon of Binance Wallet, then you can see here there is option is available network. So I'm going to select network of Ethereum, and you can see here Ethereum. The Ethereum wallet is open in front of me. I'm going to get the backup of my this wallet setting. You can see here view seed phrases, view your seed phrases. Simple click on view seed phrases, and you can also read here, if you ever change browser or move computers, you will need the seed phrases to access your account. Save them somewhere safe and secret. Okay, keep in your mind, don't give this information to any person, otherwise your fund will be lost. And also keep in your mind, don't use this information for personal use, because this video is only for educational purpose. Okay, next, and this is my seed phrases of my Binance Smart Chain Wallet. I'm just simple copy seed phrases and going to again open where I install the Trust Wallet and click on close, and sorry, I'm going to open the Trust Wallet and just paste here seed phrases. I have pasted my Binance Smart Chain Wallet seed phrases in Trust Wallet, and simple going to click on import button. Now my wallet is going to importing. Yes, maybe take some time. Now as you can see here, your wallet was successfully import done, and enabled. You can see here all wallets available here: BNB Smart Chain, Ethereum and Bitcoin. I have not any balance this time, so that there is not shown any amount. You can see here. Now I am going to cross check my Ethereum wallet address and my Binance Smart Chain wallet address is same or not. Going to simple copy this wallet address and open the notepad file. My notepad file is open in front of me. You can see here I have copy and paste here Trust Wallet ETH address, and now I'm going to copy the wallet address of Binance Smart Chain. So they is shown, it's a simple copy, open the file and paste here. Now as you can see here, the both address is same, means I have successfully import over Binance Smart Chain Wallet with 12 faces in Trust Wallet. You can easily use your Binance Smart Chain Wallet with Trust Wallet if you have your backup, if you have your 12 phrases backup. So this is so simple and easy, you can easily use. So I hope you properly understand. So if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comment below this video. I must read your comments and I hope I will resolve your problem. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.